Earth Is Ghetto. The choice engine, how darkness reproduces and how humans interrupt. Mystical traditions don't say the universe is neutral. They say creation runs on contrast. Unity versus separation. Cooperation versus control. Memory versus amnesia. Light expands connection, dark compresses it. Every society drifts toward one, depending on what it rewards. Darkness doesn't need invasion. It only needs permission. In Akashic cosmology, separation-oriented consciousness spreads through three mechanisms: inheritance, institutions, and influence. Some souls return to the same families, not because blood is cursed, but because power ecosystems attract similar psychology. Secrecy trains successors, wealth shields consequence, trauma creates obedience. That's how patterns outlive people. Other forces never incarnate. They work through mood climates, fear, addiction, hierarchy, hunger, and despair. When humans cooperate with those impulses, systems lock them in. Schools that punish curiosity, markets that reward extraction, media that thrives on outrage, and religions that silence questioning. Darkness loves automation, because then nobody has to decide anymore. In mystical cosmology, exploitation is not random. It is the fastest way to fracture a soul. Trauma makes people manageable. Trauma makes secrets. Trauma trains silence. That's not a cult. That's sociology. Some traditions call Earth a school. Others call it a proving ground. Others say it's where consciousness forgets and remembers again, the common denominator. Choice. This is the corrective. Light isn't angels descending. It's boring. It's consistent and repetitive. Light doesn't announce itself. It interrupts cycles. Light is what breaks lineage scripts. In these cosmologies, nobody is neutral. Inaction is a vote. Every system runs on daily microchoices. Who you protect, who you believe, what you stay quiet about, what you normalize, what you profit from, what you pass to your children. The records don't say evil wins through armies. They say it wins through convenience, through silence, through people outsourcing their conscience, and the light, it survives because some humans keep choosing discomfort. Earth is Ghetto. New episodes every Monday at 7 p.m.